with another ROM review. This is .os, and of course, I apologize for this. This is .os and Android 12.1, which is Android 12L, the last update before Android 13. And .os stopped for a long time, and I was checking on my device, and I got this custom ROM. I downloaded it a few months back, and I thought I should make video on it because this is really a capable custom ROM. And if you are a day-to-day user, and if you are really bored with Android 13, because I never recommend you guys to use Android 13. Android 13 is really a buggy or kind of laggy type custom ROM for Redmi 7 user, because our chipset is too old, so it's unable to handle that kind of heavier OS. That's why I brought this one for you guys. This is really capable custom ROM, and if you have issues with anything, just let me know in the comment section below. But I didn't get any bugs in that ROM. You guys can easily use on your daily life, and everything is fine. There is no issues like Android 13. You cannot use Gcam. We don't have any issues like that. You guys can easily use any kind of Gcam. Here I am using the 8.1. Sorry, this is not 8.1, this is 8.8 I guess, and I already made videos on that Gcam, particular Gcam. This is like a Gcam, and of course this is really great Gcam, and it's fine. It's working on Android 12L, and another Gcam is also working, which is 8.6. so you guys don't need to worry about Gcam, and everything is fixed and working fine in that custom ROM. And we have other necessary things, which is called like the user interface, which is Android 12, and you guys will get confused when you watch the settings. Here you guys can see about section at the top. Then we have the system updates and network and internets. Then we have wallpaper style and display, sound and vibration. Then we have battery notification, apps and notifications, privacy, security. Everything is here, but we don't have any customization hub, and you guys will get confused, but we have that. And as it is a .os, so .os always have customization. At least we have some customization, right? We'll get it. So where you guys will get that, just go to wallpaper section, and you guys can just get it on settings menu as well, no problem with that. Just scroll down and you guys will get extra menus. Here we have the app lock, and which is perfectly working. There is no issues. If you have any notification on our control panel, and if you click on that and you have locked that particular applications, and then when you click on that particular notification, and it will ask your fingerprint or pin or pattern, whatever you use. So this is cool and working fine. I already checked it. Then we have here the theme settings. You guys can customize, use black theme or chroma factor, use linear lightness. Everything is here. Okay, let's talk about extras. What we have here, we have status bar customization. All regular customizations are there. We have 4G instead of LTE, and we have VoLTE support as well, VoLTE icon. Everything is fine here and working, no issues. Show Wi-Fi standard, Wi-Fi 4 is, signal 4 is here, no issues. And you guys can notice here, when I click any option, and it's just comes with an animation from bottom to top. This is really cool. When you will click it, you will feel that. Then we have the quick settings. We have animate tile state change. Tiles will change their shapes: active circle, inactive visible, rounded rectangle, whatever. Then we have the brightness slider, show always as usual, and date and time and quick pull down. Everything is there. And we have QoS footer warnings as well. Then we have the lock screen customization as usual. Hide QoS in secure lock screen. That means if you don't want to open your control center or QoS panel, whatever you say, in your lock screen, then just turn that off. And ripple effect, if you want to turn off, of course you can do that. And fingerprint authentication error, everything is here. Then we have the power menu as usual. What you need, you guys can check. And then we have the gesture, but we don't have gesture customizations. And then we have the buttons. Actually we have limited customizations, and which is very essential for us. And I don't recommend you guys to use any other extra things, like any extra customizations. We don't need actually. If you don't use any other things, you will get such really better performance. And here is important thing, which is we have, and RAM management is really cool. I opened that application like 1 hour ago, and I got it here. Still it's in RAM, so this is cool. And Google, this Pixel can back up unlimited Google Photos storage, and I didn't use any Magisk module for that. By default you guys will get Google Photos unlimited storage, so no issues with that. And battery backup is still, I got, it's really cool. And the main important thing is that if you are bored with Android 13, Android 12 and Android 12.5, the control center, which is really different in that .os, and which is really buttery smooth experience, you guys won't face any kind of lag here. And we will have animation when we click on power button, so this is cool, isn't it? Of course. And we have all the necessary toggles here, and everything is fine. This is working here. Extra dim, let me show you that. Yes, it's fine working, no issues. And okay, let me show you the night light. But you guys can see here, the color is really cool, and we have animation when it got changed, so this is cool, I guess. Then I want to show you the smoothness in that custom ROM. What we have is really very smooth, and you guys will not face any kind of lag here. There is no lag, not a single. And Gcam is fine working, everything is done. And here, as I already installed Magisk, so that's why I have to pass safety net, and you guys will get by default safety net pass, no issues with that. And if you flash Magisk, then of course flash universal safety net fix, then your safety net will be passed, no problem with that. But before flashing that, you must enable that Magisk and enforce denial list. Then you guys will be able to flash that Magisk module and flash it. Then you guys will get a safety net pass. Okay, let me show you that safety net pass or not. Okay. And I'm really sorry if I make you people bored with this video. Safety net passed by default, no issues with that. Okay, let me show you the home settings, which launcher we have by default. We have that .os launcher as usual, and we don't have extra customizations. Then we have the widgets. In widget section, we don't have any clock widgets, because we are using a vanilla build, and this one depends on your G-apps, and I'm using here the nikgapps core. So I always recommend you guys to get better performance, always use nikgapps core. So I will try to mention the link in description for that nikgapps core. Of course you guys will get it. And these are the applications I already installed, and everything is fine working here, no issues, I didn't get any problem. Okay, let me know in the comment section below if you find any problem, and I can recommend you guys this ROM to use for your daily life. So this is it. Thank you for watching.